Did you know you could make water freeze instantly? Welcome to a world where science meets magic. In today's episode, we're exploring the captivating phenomenon of instant ice, a trick that turns liquid water into solid ice in the blink of an eye. Imagine hosting a party and dazzling your guests with this icy spectacle. The main player of this chilly experiment is Will, a curious high school student with a knack for jaw-dropping tricks. His challenge? To master the art of instant ice. Armed with chilled bottled water and a thirst for amazement, he sets out to uncover the science behind this miracle. As Will carefully opens a supercooled bottle and taps it, water instantly transforms into ice before our eyes. The science? Water needs a nucleation point to crystallize, and the gentle tap acts as the catalyst. Watch as our liquid world solidifies into frosty brilliance. The takeaway? Science isn't just about textbooks, it's an exciting playground for wonders. Delight in ice magic and experiment responsibly. Remember, science is the ultimate game of discovery. Let's explore more together.